Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of the stock estate. Alright, this last week, right, was a pretty volatile market, alright, with a lot of the outflows coming out of big tech such as Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, alright. A lot of the outflows has been going out from there, and massive caps have been trading like penny stocks, right, where, you know, Snapchat was down 25%, and after hours was up 50%, right, for a $18 billion company, right? Seems like there's a lot of FOMO going on here. Everybody's trying to catch the bottom. And in this kind of situations, there's two things I recommend always for swing traders is either you stay out of the markets when it gets so volatile, or you set your stop loss to be a bit wider and concentrate your picks to the most quality picks. And that's why I've been concentrating, you know, and talking just a few picks every single week, just one, right? So that you will be able to, you know, concentrate and, you know, apply what you learned throughout the old swing trading videos, right, to the current market condition. So our past few picks have been pretty okay, alright. Last week's picks didn't really move at all, which is ESTE, the oil company, which is one of the strongest sectors out here. Okay, I'm going to move myself there. Okay, you can see that we entered in here, right? On Monday open entered, alright. Then it fell down again, didn't hit our stop loss, alright, and we just kind of hovering at our entry price, right? We're not really doing anything for ESTE. Okay, ESTE again, same entry price. I'm going to play this out to swing to the further upside. If it goes down massively, alright, oil doesn't really do well this coming week, and I'll get stopped out according to plan, alright, and position sizing would have already been done, alright, and that's ESTE. So those who haven't entered ESTE yet, I still do think that, you know, it is a if you're bullish on the energy sector, right, you've done your fundamental research, you feel that, hey, this sector is the one that's going to continue its momentum, then, you know, I'll play ESTE again. Alright, so let me move on to the pick for this coming week. Alright, I sieved through many companies, such as a lot of paper companies, right, a lot of other decent technical setups, but in this kind of environment, only the quality, right, companies will have a chance of having a strong bullish or buying pressure in, because everybody's so picky right now with the types of stocks that they buy, right? So Wall Street ain't gonna buy in just random any stock, right, that is trading at a ridiculous valuations, ridiculous quality of business. So again, I sieved through many and I came up with IGT. IGT is one of the more quality gaming stock out there that I feel that has massive potential compared to its peers, although it's trading at a little bit expensive to its cheapest competitor, Board Gaming. Alright, it is growing at a 44% year-over-year growth. It's one of the faster growers, and that's why massive momentum, right? In fact, I have swing traded this company before. I can see this little annotation over here. Actually, we swing traded it from here up to here, took some profits, and some of us actually even rode this wave all the way up from what, $20 all the way up to the high of, let me just bring 30 plus, right? That's a 50% plus gain, right? 50-60% gain. Insane, right? Insane run. Since then, it has come down a little bit. I've really been swing trading this, but right now it's forming a nice little wedge pattern for us to trade again. So little wedge, one wedge, all right. Second one over here. You can see the wedge pattern very clearly. 1 and 2, right? So right now it's squeezing in a very, you know, consolidation where there's a lot of volatility is contracting. All right, that means when it hits to a certain point, it will break either to the further upside or to the downside, and that's when we need to, you know, place our stop losses. And wedge plays have been really one of my favorites to play since last time, right? So let me just draw it out for you. This is going to be my entry point. All right, Monday, all right, if I can get a small little pullback over here, I will buy. My stop loss, my first stop loss will be below here. Okay, depending on the market environment, since it's so volatile, right, I'm going to set it somewhere here, all right, 9%, right, to 11%. So it's around a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And all right, again, this I'm going for the pick, right, that is going to give me the quicker gains. Okay, I'm going to try to increase my average win rate instead of trying to go for the best risk to reward ratio, because in this kind of environment, right, I'm going to leave my stop losses a little bit more wider to account for all these volatile swings in the market, because you don't want to set it too tight over here, right? Then you bam to the downside, take out your stop losses, then goes on to rally to the upside, right? Strong momentum company right here. You can see over here, strong momentum, right? And you might want to drop down to the 4-hour time frame, right, to get a better entry point, right? And that's all I have for you for this coming week, all right? Trade safe, right? And if you wish to know more about my picks or my thoughts on the markets, which I sometimes put out, go follow my newsletter in the description below, yotongbun@substack.com, and that's where I will give those impromptu, you know, articles, right, thoughts on the market, which I don't have the time to put out on this channel itself, all right? Smash the thumbs up button, all right, all that good stuff, subscribe to the channel, all right, and I shall see you again in the next video, everyone. Stock Estate out.